Today is July 25th. I'm Barbara.
And I am Vicky.
And this is
Simon Says.
When we talk about cultural heritage, it's important to recognize the Indigenous cultures first here on this land. Outside of Pembina Hall is the Red River cart representing the Métis culture and the tipi, an important symbol of Indigenous culture. While Canada is a multicultural country, we recognize the first culture that was here.
Thank you for everyone who joined our activities last week. Also, a huge thank you to our volunteer Kevin for sharing his volunteering experience.
Wow, the Taste of Edmonton was awesome. Thanks to all the students who joined us. What was your favorite food?
Hey Barbara, speaking of the festival, I heard K-Day is happening now. What is K-Days?
K-Days is an excellent festival from July 22nd to July 31st. It's an exhibition at Northlands Coliseum. Let's hear more about it.
K-Days takes place at the Edmonton Expo Centre and Exhibition Grounds, which can easily be reached via LRT at the Coliseum station. This year's K-Days is 10 days long, starting on Friday, July 22nd and ending on Sunday, July 31st. The K-Days event includes over 40 rides and games, which you are granted access to with the purchase of tickets. Alongside the rides and games, there are also a bunch of super fun events that will take place, such as the Edmonton Maker Fair, the Explore Agriculture Stage, Pride Day, the indoor and outdoor markets, and much more. Then there's my favorite part, which is the food. There will be so many different vendors, multiple including foods I've never tried before. Some of the foods they'll have that I think sound really unique include the Fisherman, Poutine, Oreo fried rice, and Godzilla fries.
This week, our theme is cultural heritage.
We will have our usual workshop. On Monday, we will have grammar.
On Tuesday, listening lab,
On Wednesday, during the break,
Kahuka.
and after we will have read and write workshop.
On Thursday, everyone's favorite, Conversation Club.
And all of the workshop will happen at room 029 from 1 to 2 p.m.
On Friday, we have another interesting adventure for you. Where are we going to go, Vicky?
We are going to Rutherford House.
This is an exciting part of Edmonton cultural heritage. We will tour together this unique building. Join us. Be sure to sign up. Speaking of festivals, there's one more festival happening this weekend. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, it's Heritage Days.
My favorite festival, Heritage Days in Horleck Park. Let's check it out.
Heritage Days is quite honestly my favorite festival in Edmonton. I've been volunteering there at the Japanese Pavilion since I was 11. I'm 24 now, so I've been helping work there for pretty much half my life. It's just always been my favorite. There's so much food, there's so much culture. I get to, it's so exciting to see how the pavilions make my culture's food, like Iraqi food or just Middle Eastern food. It's really fun to go try other food that you've never tried before and watch people like perform the dancing, the acting, the martial arts. It's just really fun. And yeah, awesome.
Speaking of cultural heritage, we invite you to check out the online lesson, Cultural Heritage. You can listen and read and learn more about the cultural heritage of Alberta.
Besides, we will have our student challenge. What is it?
Student Challenge. We want to invite you to complete a Flipgrid talking about some aspect of your culture. Listen to a few clips that we have collected in the past. These are wonderful examples of students explaining a part of their culture.
Hello guys, my name is Maria, I am from Colombia and I am going to share with you a cultural heritage for my country. This is the Carnival of Barranquilla. This is one of the most important carnival in Colombia.
Everyone, I'm Erfana and I'm from Iran. On March 20, the first day of spring in Iran, we celebrate Nowruz, the Persian New Year.
You can find the Flipgrid on our blog. I want you to try it too.
Hey, this one!
Did you notice that we have a new activity on Instagram? What is it, Vicky?
It's Idiom of the Week.
Idiom of the Week. Follow us on Instagram and improve your language with us.